It's just a noisy hall where there's a nightly brawl and all that jazz. I know that jazz.
The next style that we learned was a style called Bollywood. For those of you who don't know what Bollywood is, it's India's film industry. It's the biggest one. It's a mix of the word Bombay and Hollywood. And it's known for its very energetic dancing. It's in a lot of their big films. They have a big dance number in the middle of it. So it kind of developed its own style of dance. It's also known for its costumes and its use of props. This is why for this number we used chairs as a prop, and it also helps us with levels in choreography, so it's not just all on one level and one plane. So this is our next one. It's in the style of Bollywood. It's called Kala Chasma, which means sunglasses. So enjoy. Won multiple Tony Awards, and actually the movie is coming out this June. So this one was more in the style of more hip-hop and Latin and salsa. Also, we focused on stage pictures, more acting, and some freestyle and improv in this one as well. If you don't know, the musical is about a town, an enclave in New York City called Washington Heights, and it's just about, they're singing about their neighborhood. So it's just a fun one, and we'll leave you with this piece. Please enjoy.
The world spins around while I'm frozen to my seat. The people that I know will keep on rolling down the street.